Hi there, let's learn how to enter a new line within the same cell in Google Sheets. Entering a new line within the same cell in Google Sheets can be achieved by using Control Enter or Alt Enter. Let's start by using Control Enter. Say I want to create a list of items, item 1, so I'll Control Enter to get to the next line. Then still I'll Control Enter to get to my next line. Now let's also try using Alt Enter with the address below here. So with this address, I'll place my cursor at the end of each text break, and then I'll press on Alt Enter. Take it to the next text break, press Alt Enter, next text break, press Alt Enter. And there you go, our address is organized. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this has been helpful. Please follow for more tips.